This is TECNO Spark Go 2024, and today I'll show how you can take and manage screenshots on this device. So let's begin by learning all available screenshot capturing methods, of which there are two. So first method is simultaneously press volume down and power buttons. And second method is to launch the control panel and tap at the screenshot switch. You could have already noticed that once the screenshot is captured, you'll see this little miniature to your left. So by tapping at the screenshot, you can start editing the screenshot right away. Or if you would like to share it right after you've captured it, just tap at this button here. Now, in order to find all the screenshots you have made, launch the gallery app, go into albums, and as you can see, all the screenshots are being conveniently saved into their separate screenshots folder or album. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.